Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert forecast. And as we look ahead today, there's going to be a lot of cloud cover and some leftover flurries this morning. Some spots will try to break out to a little bit of sunshine, but overall, quiet weather, whether you have no sun or some sun today. Look for a high of about 35. Winds should stay under 10 miles an hour today, and this evening should be quiet too. It certainly is a cloudier forecast today and tomorrow than previously thought. In fact, that southern system that we had thought would stay to our south looks to at least give parts of the area a swipe of very light snow. Since it is a southern system, the best chances would be across the southern parts of our viewing area. Still looks chilly Thursday and Friday, a little colder than we have not only during the day but also at nighttime hours, although Thursday and Friday are pretty darn close to normal. Saturday in the afternoon a bit milder with sunshine, and we are still right on track starting Sunday and through much of next week. Much colder, some of the coldest air of the whole season. So your futurecast, again, as we talk about the weather today, not a whole heck of a lot. It's cloud cover, it's a few peaks of sun, and not much else. Look for a high of about 35. And this evening and even much of tonight's okay. Latest information into the Weather Center says, all right, that southern system which looked to be safely to our south now may just give a little kiss to central New York of a touch of light snow. Now, the best chance of the steadiest snow, as you might see here, with some of the darker blue shades that came through, would be during the morning and midday and over the southern tier. In terms of amounts, well, we are biasing our forecasts across the southern tier. The best chance of getting an inch or more of snow is roughly Utica, Kaz, Tully, and Moravia, Reynoldsville, and points south. So Ithaca, Cortland, Hamilton, Norwich, you have a good chance of getting an inch or more of snow. This doesn't mean that there's an absolute nothing, meaning zero snow at all, but the chances get lower and lower when you get closer to the Syracuse area and points north. It's the way it looks right now. We'll keep you posted. And Wednesday evening, most of us are dry, most of us are quiet. Late Wednesday night, some snow showers form straight east of the lake. And then there's this push of cold air that either comes through Thursday mid-morning or at some point Thursday night. I think it's going to be mid-morning. What that'll do is bring some scattered snow showers and flurries. Again, only limited sunshine is expected today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Notice the precipitation probability is highest over the southern tier tomorrow and lowest over northern New York. Squalls and flurries and snow showers Thursday and Friday. Saturday should be dry. And then Sunday and Monday, as we usher in some of the coldest air of the season, it will likely be accompanied by some snow showers, flurries, and squalls. Here's your 7-day forecast. And like we mentioned before, the normal high is about 30 and the normal low is 15. Even though we're not far away from the high today of normal high of 30, which is 35-degree high, the low this morning was in the upper 20s. So technically today goes in the books as a little bit above normal, and so will tomorrow. And technically so will Thursday too. Yeah, Friday, now that's closer to normal, low of 16, high of 29. Saturday, we start in the lower 20s and end in the low to mid 40s. There's your beginning of really cold air. We have maybe some of the coldest air of the season coming our way for next week. Here's some local high temperatures for you, all generally speaking in the mid 30s. Across the northeast, not much variation here, but you're going to notice across the southeast, there's a big difference. 80 in Miami, but 32 in Memphis. And that's right where some of that rain is hanging out in between those two systems. That's part of a system that will try to give us some precipitation right in here, just beginnings of this. This is why it's a little confusing. We'll see if this makes it all the way into central New York tomorrow. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. I hope you have a great day.